Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out an air handler that we got a call for. The coil temp sensor reading high. You can see, yes, we're reading 237 degrees. Currently our chill water valve is 100% open because it thinks it's that hot, and our return set point is 73. We're reading 73. Alright, so let's check out this sensor and see what we're dealing with here. This should be our coil temp sensor. We have a face and bypass set up here. So we are bypassing mostly. Filters look pretty good. Alright, so I think that sensor, it is definitely on the leading side. So let's open this up and we'll get a value on that. Okay, so our connections look good. Alright, so we'll take it apart here and get a reading on that. Okay, we're at 434 ohms, so you know these are 10K ohm sensors, so if we were reading low ohms, we're going to be reading high temperature. So the higher the ohms, the lower the temperature. Alright, this is our new sensor. Obviously it's not in the hole, but you can see the big difference. It's 10,490 ohms, so I believe this is definitely a bad sensor. Oh yeah, no, I don't have that on my truck, but keep pulling. Oh yeah, that one went to the other side of the state, so yeah, we're not going to have that. Let's see what this is. Yep, this is one of them, it's 8-foot average temp sensor, so 10K ohms. So I do have a 8-inch duct temp sensor, so we're going to throw that in there for now and just see if that will give us a better reading. It's got to be better than 237 degrees. Alright, so this is what I've got readily available. It is 8-inch duct temp sensor, same value, 10,000 ohms. So we'll go ahead and put that in there and see how that reads. So while he's hooking this up, let's take a look at the computer. Alright, so that disconnected, we're minus 67. Looks like he's hooking it up because our values are changing. So we got the right sensor. At least we're messing with the right sensor. Yeah, you can see now it's driven our chill water valve to 0%. We are closed off. Starting to get some temp reading there, 68 degrees. The chill water valve, it was closed, now it's going back and starting to open back up. Let's see, our set point is 55. Okay. Now you can see the link to that sensor. Definitely got to order that. Alright, what are we reading now? 64.5 for coil temp. Chill water valve is still opening up. Alright, so I changed our cooling set point to 70, so we're starting to get more dampers open there. Let's go check on that. Oh yeah, we're opening. That coil temperature should start dropping. Alright, so I'll say that sensor is definitely helping give us a better value. Our chill water valve is starting to back off and face and bypass is opening, but we're trying to get to 70 degrees now versus 73. And our supply air temp's dropping, it's at 60 now. Alright, so our chill water valve's 87%. Okay, so our value for the chill water valve is 3.8, 3.9, and we are modulating closed, but something's backwards there. Yes, it's backwards. The scale for the top is 2 volts and the bottom is 10, so it should be the opposite. So we may have to switch that actuator. Okie doke. Okay, that's more like it. Now we're 7.6 volts. So that should be about 3/4 of the way open. And you can see it's trying to close that much, so we're going to reverse the switch here, and that should make it look normal. Because we're still trying to get to 70 degrees on our return set point. All right, we're looking better now. 72% on our chill water. Face and bypass is 100%. Okay, so here's our temp reading at the blower inlet is 57.7, and I was reading about 53 degrees from the sensor down here for the coil, so that's about right. So do we really need all of this? I'm gonna order it, yes, but it looks like it's working good enough with the little guy. Yeah, our temperature is 53.6. Supply air is 58.8, and I was reading 57.7, right about in this area. All right, I set everything back to 73 return, so we should start dropping here on our 6.2 volts DC. And we're calling for 52% chill water valve. Face and bypass, that's backing off to 84. So it looks like everything's working now. At least better than it was. We don't have a 237 degree coil temperature reading. All right, and our supply is coming back up. So I guess we're going to consider this one fixed. Alright, just check on those dampers one more time. Looks like everybody's working. Alright guys, appreciate you watching as always. Catch you in the next video.